By 2026, these 5 AI tools will eliminate millions of jobs. And if you're not prepared, you could be next. First, GPT-5 and advanced language models are replacing content writers, customer service reps, and even junior lawyers with human-level reasoning. Second, Runway and Sora are making video editors obsolete. AI now creates Hollywood-quality content in minutes, not days. Third, GitHub Copilot X is writing entire code bases, pushing junior developers out of the market completely. Fourth, autonomous AI agents like AutoGPT are replacing virtual assistants, project managers, and administrative roles across every industry. Fifth, AI radiologists and diagnostic tools are outperforming human doctors in accuracy, threatening healthcare jobs worldwide. But here's the thing. While these tools replace jobs, they create new opportunities for those who master them. The winners won't be those who fear AI, but those who learn to leverage it. Subscribe to Zero Input AI.